Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add stops during an Uber ride. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. As we all know, adding a stop like we are preparing to book a ride, for example, this one, you can just easily tap on the plus sign right here that says add a stop. Now, if you're currently in the car, okay, you're heading to your added locations, well, you can add more stops during a ride. Now to do that, simply go ahead over to the ride, tap on it. It will say on your dashboard, heading to the location. And then when you tap on it, there will be a button at the bottom that says add or change. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can go ahead and add in more stops or add in a drop-off point. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.